Hey guys, hey check it out.
Hey, Wolfie.
I heard they were punting llamas down by the docks. You guys want to go check it out?
Sounds like fun, but it's raining. You know, crazy things happen when it rains.
Well, looks like I'm by myself this time. I'll catch you guys later. Let's do this. Oh my. Doesn't look that bad, does it? You guys are mean. Hey guys, thanks for watching my second video. Hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to watch my previous video. More to come next week. See how that goes. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys.